In the previous video, you understood what is index functionality about. In this video, let's try to understand what is reverse functionality about. I'll just take a simple list. So modifying the elements to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to reverse this entire list. I'll just simply go for list 1 dot reverse. And let's print our list. So we got the values to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So maybe I'll just take one more list with some random elements. So 10, 7, 89, 4, followed by 67. So I want to reverse this list 1 dot reverse. So this is how it works. So let's print our list 1. Right. So the entire list got reversed. So that is all something about reverse functionality. In the next video, let's try to understand what is sort functionality about.